Have you ever wanted to make your own scratch art designs? Well, I'm gonna show you how. You only need oil pastels, a paint stick, and some kind of scratching tool, like a toothpick. And I'm gonna show you exactly how we created these scratch art hearts in one class period. Let's get some inspiration from Romero Britto. Romero is a famous artist who was born in Brazil in 1963. When he was young, he loved to draw and paint. He's known for using his bright colors, bold lines, and happy shapes, like hearts and stars. His art is cheerful and full of positive feelings. Today, he lives in Miami, Florida, and his artwork can be seen all around the world in museums, parks, and public places. On the very first day, you just need to cover your entire paper with oil pastel. I used the neon oil pastels, but you can use any oil pastel. You could even just use crayon, and that would be okay too. Now let's think about your heart design. With the black paint stick, I want you to put hearts somewhere on your paper. I did concentric hearts on my first day, and now I'm just going to do different random heart shapes all over my paper. Fill it in 100% with the black paint stick. You can think about using your space in a creative way. I'm going to do hearts of different sizes, and then I'll probably add a frame around this one. I was looking at my other picture and thought that a frame might look good on that one too. So I'm going to add a frame to both of these. Now that I've decided all the areas that should be black and all the areas I'm putting my heart designs, it's time to scratch away to see the color underneath. That's why it's very important on the first day to make sure that you cover your entire paper with oil pastel. I like to emphasize the shape of the heart by going around with my scratching tool. If you don't have a scratching tool like this, you could use a dull pencil or even a toothpick. Be careful if you're wearing long sleeves or any metal bracelets or anything that can scratch the surface of your tempera paint stick. Your fingernails can also scratch it away. If you do accidentally scratch it away, you can just cover it with the paint stick again and start over. It's not a big deal, and you can fix that. Even though you can't tell because my hands are dirty, I like to keep my area pretty clean. A tissue is a great tool to wipe off your scratch art stick as you go, because a lot of that tempera will start building up on the stick and get in the way of you creating clean designs. When you are all finished, these are ready to take home. Be careful not to damage them in your backpack. You can always take them home covered with a piece of paper to help prevent scratching.